This is the Benici 40-piece professional paintbrush set, and it is awesome. You're going to be receiving this carrying case, and all you have to do is open it up, and you are going to have a complete set of professional grade brushes. This would also make a great gift to give to somebody. And look at the case. It also has Velcro on either side to close it up. And look at this spectacular set of brushes. You're going to get a complete set in all different sizes and shapes. You're going to get round ones as well as flat ones too. You're also going to be getting 11 of these Hog Bristle brushes, which are perfect for oil painting. You're also going to be receiving 17 Nylon Bristle brushes, which are perfect for acrylic painting. And you're also going to be receiving 12 Pony Bristle brushes, which are perfect for watercolor painting. And those are right here. And what a complete, beautiful set. You're going to find a paintbrush to fit all your needs. Whether you're painting on ceramic, glass, canvas, paper, or wood or board, you're going to find the right brush for you. I was sent this from Benici and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.